Hello, love everyone. Today I am making a huge feast just for two people in my family, my wife and Acapella, my 14-year-old. It's one of their favorite things to eat is seafood boil. So I just got back this morning from the fresh seafood market here in Olympia, Washington. And let me go show you what I got. All right, thanks for joining. We have crawfish, or as some people call them, crawdads down south. They're like baby lobsters. We have some fresh shrimp that have been peeled and deveined for me. We have two things right here. Two octopi, or octopuses. I have never touched these before until today. I've never cooked them, so I had to do a lot of research on the internet. Some fresh clams. Fresh, a crab. I couldn't think of his name. Of course, it got some seasoning that comes in a little sack that you add into the water. Got a lemon, got some baby corns, and got some soft little potatoes. All right, let's get making this seafood feast. Okay, in advance of everything else, I am going to be boiling or simmering the octopus. So I read online it's supposed to go in salt water, so I'll put some salt water there. And I guess I'm going to put them in here just like simmering for about an hour and then chill it. Supposedly that makes the skin a lot softer, and that way I can the skin won't peel off if you chill it a little bit afterwards, and I can cut off the legs and stuff like that and the head. Let's get started. All right, I will admit I used a fork to pick these up. I still haven't touched them. I probably will have to though when I cut them up. I put them in there. I turn the heat on high, but once it starts showing signs of simmering, I'm going to turn it down to maintain a simmer for 1 hour. While I'm waiting for that to simmer, I will show you I've got a lot of shrimp. These are for me. I'm going to dip them in buttermilk and egg and add some cayenne pepper and some other spicy seasoning and make what they call Tennessee hot shrimp. And I'm going to fry those in my deep fryer, and that's for me. Don't worry, my youngest one's still going to eat too. She just wants chicken nuggets. Okay, for my dinner, I've got some all-purpose flour right there. I'm going to put some seasoning in it. If I find my cayenne pepper here. Nope, that's chili powder. Let's see. There's cayenne red pepper. And then also some Creole seasoning. This is the extra bold one, meaning extra spicy. Has a different flavor profile though than the cayenne, so it's really good all mixed together. And a little more black pepper. There we go. So I've got the flour, but I also need to do my wash. I got 1 egg. Woo. There we go. And I'm gonna add a little buttermilk. No certain amount. There we go. I'll stir that up, and that's what I'm gonna wash my shrimp in before I dip it in the flour. Okay, I'm getting my deep fryer set up too. I don't need it right now. I'll do these towards the end after everyone else's food is cooked, because these won't take long at all. But these are going to be for my Tennessee hot shrimp. I've also got the potatoes and the corn in there. Unfortunately, this is the only large pot I have. I need to get one of them giant pots on that go up here. But so I'm going to cook these first, and then take them out of the water, and then redo the water for the seafood boil. Another reason that I take this out, the potatoes especially, is because they soak up so much of that seafood spice. They become too spicy for my wife's taste. She won't eat them. So the corn as well. So I have to take them out, and then I'll keep them warm though. All right, the corn and potatoes done cooking in the big pot, so I put them in a smaller pot, and I'm just going to throw a little butter in there and keep them warm. And then I got the big pot ready, and I took the octopus out, drained them, and put them on a plate to chill in the refrigerator. We're getting closer. While the water is warming up, I'm going to put in a couple wedges of lemon. The whole spice packet, this one you actually leave in the bag. Put that in the water, and then just a splash of vinegar, and that helps the meat come out of the crab shell a lot easier. All right, the water is almost boiling. The seasoning pack is doing its thing. I also added some salt in here. I forgot to show you that part. And I'm going to add the crab first, because that takes about sometimes 10 to 15 minutes. Then the clams can take 5 to 10 minutes. And then the crawdads take about, 5 minutes or so. And then the shrimp, of course, only take about 3 minutes. So we'll add those in order. Here we go. All right, it's starting to boil. I took out the seasoning packet. I'm going to go ahead and put the crab in. I think I'll just put it upside down like that. There we go. And I'm going to cover it. Okay, now I'm going to add the clams. Put them in there. They usually take about 5 to 10 minutes till they open. And of course, if they don't open, you just throw those ones away. There we go. The next thing will be the crawdads. At this time, I'm also going to add about a half a stick of butter. And I add a little more water. Also at this time, the octopus are chilled. They're all curled up. Oh my goodness, I've never touched the octopus before. But I'm going to cut off the legs. I'm going to throw them in at the end. So I better leave them on the plate. What that little... Well, that's a crawdad ear or antenna. Woo! You know, this doesn't actually feel as bad as I thought it would. So I read online that you cut them close to the body. And then you don't eat the eyes or the head or the beak. I'm assuming that's not the eyes or beak. Yeah, it's the head part. So this part I won't. I might be wasting it. Let me know. But I'm just doing what some probably old white lady told me to do online. Like, again, I try to not to watch videos because, I don't know, I kind of feel like it's cheating sometimes. So, whew, off with your head, my friend. There we go. And this will go in last, since these are already pretty much boiled and cooked. Hopefully they're tender. But I do want to get some of that seasoning and butter on it. All right, we're now on to the crawdads. So these ones you put everything in. Eyeballs, antennas, everything. Let's hope I don't have too much water in there. Ow! Yeah, that water's boiling. My finger went in it. There we go. They really look like almost like little half shrimp, half baby lobsters. It's getting full. All right, let's give that about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Okay, the last thing I'm going to add is the shrimp. I'm just going to put those on top and cover it, so the steam more than likely will cook shrimp. Shrimp does not take long to cook at all. Maybe 2-3 minutes. We'll see. I just wait for them to turn a little pink. Ooh, it smells good. The buttery seasoning goodness. Whew. My pot, I definitely need a bigger pot. This one is crammed to the rim. And in about, with a minute to go though, I will add the octopus. All right, see you in a few. All right, about 1 minute to go. Whew, that top's hot. Let me take that off. And then I'm gonna add the octopus on top. Hopefully I'm not getting the lens steamy. And just push it in the liquid a little bit, just to get some of that delicious buttery and seafood seasoning flavor. All right, about a minute to go, and someone is gonna eat. Thanks so much for joining us again. Okay, I've drained the potatoes and corn. Let's put those on the table first. Scoot them over. Oh boy, that smells good. Okay, the pig pot is drained too. Let's see if I can get the crab out first. Maybe put it over there, or leave it there. Oh, a crawdad came out. And the rest Holy schmoly. Looks like the clams opened up good. The shrimp are done. And the clams are done. Wow, that looks delicious. I'm going to put a few wedges of lemon here if anyone wants to use them. And now, let me call my wife and my 14-year-old for their feast. All right, time to eat. Hey, Silhouette. Like every minute, turn it off, turn it on.
How do I know it's been a minute?
She's soft.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. She peed. Come on. Good girl.
Dad?
Yeah, off on. That's good, sweetie. I'm glad it's soft.
The octopus.
Oh, sweet.
The first thing I tasted.
Yeah, she did. She waved it at Pella.
Oh. You gonna try one, acapella?
Yeah.
Or yeah, that's your empty crawdad bowl over there.
That's
There we
good.
go. Of course, baby is eating chicken nuggets. We also caught those in the ocean. They were wild chicken nuggets. They had little fins. I cut those off for her. Had no idea little chicken nuggets swam in the ocean too. How was the clam?
Tastes like a clam.
Oh, you can throw it in the bowl too, baby.
Good.
Are you gonna dissect the crab so you and acapella can have crab legs?
Oh, Pella's
Let me
aiming
do
for
it.
Whoa.
You can do it.
That's
I don't know how to do
excellent.
it.
I mean, really, really good.
What, the shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, because it's fresh. It was fresh.
Oh my God, it is really, really good.
It went skinny dipping in the boiling
Stinky
water for
water.
exactly 2.5 minutes. And then I massaged it when I brought it out to bring back the juices. Just kidding.
Get the crab.
I literally. Is that on?
Yeah, meanwhile, in case you're curious, I am turning on my oil to heat up my oil so I can fry my shrimp. I'll show you a couple moments of that when I get that going. Are you going to try the crab leg?
I can't get it off.
Oh, I think you just grab it and go.
I said you wash my hands.
Hiya! Are you going to try octopus? That's what you said you'd eat the other day. And that's what everyone wants to see you eat.
Yeah.
Even your boyfriend.
What?
Even him.
Boyfriend said he wants to see her eat octopus? Silly.
Oh, wow. Oh!
You need like a scissors or something? Or well, give Pella the crab
Nope.
legs. Oh! She ripped the poor little fella's head off. What's the name of that crab from Little Mermaid? That's Sebastian, or was he a lobster?
Sebastian. Lobster.
Oh, he's a lobster. Well,
Oh
this-
my.
And that seasoning not too spicy, huh? No?
Mm-mm.
Oh, good, good. Well, there was a seasoning in it. Here's, do you try a potato?
Potato.
Look how soft they are. You want one, Silhouette?
There's potato.
Yeah, they're right there with the corns.
Oh.
Looks like Daddy's gonna be eating a lot of corn because they are focused on the seafood.
Are these sweet?
How do I get the meat?
You gotta crack it.
Where?
Crap.
Crack the
Crack it where?
Oh.
Yeah, but you gotta show her. Do you want my cracking scissors?
Yeah, probably. Crab.
I think right here you can crack. Look. See right here? The little ridges? You can crack the shell right there. Here you
I'm gonna
go.
watch her do
You want them or not?
Why are you giving me so many likes?
Ouch. Oh, my goodness. There you go.
Oh.
Looks like Mommy's going to tear up some crab.
Yeah, I'm not strong enough for that.
I can do it.
No, you can't.
No, Mommy will do it. My oil is ready.
Yay!
Where's the baby? She's over there.
She's sniffing everything. Oh, she's biting the carpet.
Oh, sorry to take you away from the seafood boil for a second. I'm going to show you how I take care of my shrimp. Oh, maybe this is more exciting though.
Oh, Mom.
Hiya.
Wow.
I won't take you long for take you away for long. So basically, I take a shrimp, put it in the buttermilk and egg, and just lay it in the flour.
No, she bited the carpet.
So once I get a few of those,
Maka.
I'm going to put them in the fryer. Okay, let's go back to the seafood boil.
Ow, ow. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah.
You try any octopus yet, sweetie?
No.
I'm curious to see you try it.
Mama Maka.
Mm.
She's under you.
It's fine.
Hi, baby girl.
You should film that. That's cool. Where are you charging my ring light?
Oh, it's connected to my laptop.
My computer charger.
Right over there, right over there.
You tried the potato yet? Or corn? Anyone want corn or potato?
I'm busy with the crab.
Oh, I'm just asking. Silhouette. Mmm. I'll try it. It's really good. I
It's
probably need to
smoky.
add a little salt. That's hot.
Oh, the octopus. Can I film it?
Oh, you want to film acapella eating it?
Yeah.
She's not eating it yet.
I just want to put it up close to the thing.
Okay, hold on. Gotta get a lot closer. Here you go. Silhouette, you want to eat me? I'm coming for you!
No. Cool. The bowl's already almost full.
Scoot over so I can get my stuff. Are you gonna
Chill.
try? Do you need ketchup or anything?
What?
You gonna try the potato, the things? Oh, you want a thingy? Okay, good.
Yeah.
I gotta get my plate ready.
I'm gonna take a potato sauce. And I'm gonna put
Are these eggs?
What do you mean?
What's that?
Are these eggs?
Egg from what?
This?
I don't know. Let me see it up close.
They
Hold
feel
it to
like
the
eggs.
camera. Huh. Like, what do you call that stuff? Caviar, right?
That's scary.
Or roe. They call it roe. It's probably okay to eat, though. A lot of people love roe of any kind of fish.
I just don't like the texture.
Oh, the texture.
Wow.
We don't do this very often, do we? It's good.
Sometimes.
My first time touching an octopus, let alone cooking an octopus. I'm glad it's tender, though, so that worked, the hour slow cooking.
It's very soft.
Oh, good. Do you ever get it where it's like rubbery in your life?
Yeah.
Or does that mean they cooked it too fast or something? I guess. I don't know.
It means you didn't cook it for that hour and a half.
Oh. Just an hour, sweetie. By the way, this is what my shrimp are turning out like. I've got about
That's
15
cool.
of them.
Wait, how they fry so fast?
More, baby.
I can't even open the ones you gave me.
She hasn't opened any crabs yet.
Oh, you want me to open it for you?
Yeah, I put a splash of vinegar in the water supposed to make the meat come out easy.
I can't open it.
Hold on, puppy. You smell that good food? I don't know, sweetie. Well, the leg part, you just crack it, right? Like this?
You
Not
want to
the-
give
not
her a
that.
piece of my chicken?
Oh, the doggy?
Yeah.
I guess. You can try.
I'll give her just a piece. I don't want to eat it. Ow.
I mean, that's
Yum.
Where?
Okay, let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're eating on the carpet. It's food.
Hey, give me.
Oh, Mommy's gonna help with the crab meat.
That's a big meat. Wow.
I can get it.
Oh, okay. Here.
Oh. I have no idea where that one.
It looks like an egg.
Oh, it's right here.
It look like an egg.
Yeah, you crack it like an egg.
It's very flaky.
Is that good? Does it taste good?
Sure.
Mama, what's your favorite so far? Mama.
Pella.
Mom. Mom,
Mm.
what's your favorite so far?
Oh, I don't know. I like them all. I'm too focused on the crab leg, though.
That's cool. Mama, look at Maka.
Where is she?
But
There we go.
Peter. I'm done.
All right, sweetie.
Eat your food I gave you. Mom, she just looked off the seasoning
A what?
of the chicken nuggets.
All right, good. You all right?
Oh, you girl.
Yeah, I ate the rest.
Hmm? You ate all the crawdads?
I ate so little.
I ate so little.
All right, my tough girl. The toughest and meanest of all my kids. She's rough and tough, not scared of anything.
It's gonna make me throw up.
Now she's gonna show that she can eat an octopus. Oh, you don't want to do it?
It's gonna make me throw up.
But you said you'd eat it before. You liked it. Remember?
It's the texture.
Mom
It's
said
really
it's super soft.
Touching it.
Did you touch it? Okay. Well, you don't have to eat it if you don't want it, sweetie. You want some corn or potato?
No.
All right, sweetie. Are you done?
No.
Okay. We'll just focus on mommy eating then.
No.
It's
Can you
really
try
good.
one just to see how you like it? Try one before you're done.
The shrimp really turned out really good. Daddy
me-
will love it too.
Yeah, here you go, baby. It's really super soft. You might need a little salt, though. It's kind of bland. I just cooked it in water and a little butter. How is it? Tastes okay?
Tastes like eggs.
Yep, that's what it is. They're shrimp eggs. No, I'm kidding. So there's my plate. I've still got like 6 more that are draining the grease right now. But that's what I'm going to eat. I'm going to try a bite. Oh my goodness. The spices are so hot, but they're so good. Love it.
Those poor doggies.
Let me see, is there any lemon left from mine? Oh, let's squirt a little lemon juice on it. There we go. Yep. Thanks for the food.
Is that one, what was it?
What? I don't know. What kind of shrimp?
I
Prawn?
think it was coconut shrimp. I
think we had that like at Red Lobster.
Yeah, but damn, that thing was good. Really good. I'm done.
All right, sweetie. Just leave your plate there. Me and Mommy will clean it up.
She said there's never enough
Crawfish?
crawfish.
I know.
She loves her crawfish.
She basically ate the whole pot of crawfish. She is a crawfish. I think she's originally from Mississippi.
It felt like nothing to me.
She said it felt like nothing to me.
I've eaten everything in my plate.
Good job, sweetie. How was it, honey?
I'm actually shocked that the octopus actually turned out pretty darn good. It was very soft.
Oh, that's good.
And then it made me think that it would have been even better if it was with taro leaf and coconut milk.
Oh, you know, real palasami?
Yeah. Octopus palusami. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe next time.
But yeah, it's very nice and soft. I'm still shocked. Good job, honey.
Well, I'm just glad I lucked out and made it right. Hey, everyone. I think my wife's about done, too. She'll probably save this and snack on some things later. Knowing me, I'll probably eat all this corn. So thank you so much for watching. God bless. We sure appreciate each and every one of you. Fluffside Lava for watching. I can't say how much all of you subscribers and viewers mean to us. So until next time, FE'E.
Bye.
Peace.